I wonder what Marley's problem was. This game seems fine to me. Oh no. Oh no!
What's happened to us?
Dude, I think we caught the glitch.
But we gloved up, man! We gloved up!
Marley's gonna kill us when he finds out!
You mean...
Attention. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A nuclear bomb has been launched by Germany, and we advise you to seek shelter immediately.
Whatever you do, don't listen to us. Come join us with the nuclear bomb.
We will return to normal programming when the threat ends.
Join us.
Seek shelter.
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 Join.
Seek.
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 Join.
Seek. Seek. Seek.